All right, what is up, you guys? Pizza Carlo here, and today we are going to be talking about Virgin Galactic. This is a company that we talk a lot about on this channel, and this stock has been getting killed for a while. Now, something I want to talk about, if you haven't seen any of the videos that we've put out before about Virgin Galactic, talking about Virgin Galactic, doing deep dives on Virgin Galactic, this is a company that I really, really like, and I do believe in. I personally wouldn't be buying. I'd potentially be buying at 23, 24, where we were earlier. But this is stock that I was buying heavy at 15, 16. Me and the private academy were buying the crap out of it. I sold basically all of it up at 34. The stock actually pushed up, hit 62 bucks, but it's just been taking a complete beating in the past couple of weeks. Number one, you can see, which we're really going to talk about today, Chamath Polypatia, my spirit animal, sold the rest of his Virgin Galactic shares. We're going to go over that. As well, just these small cap growth stocks are getting killed. And when you look at a company like Virgin Galactic, and you guys know I love this company, I love the leadership, I love the idea behind it. It's not a company. Like, it's not a company right now. It's an idea. Like, it's not a business. But to me, a business has a very clear way of making money and makes money, consistently. They're not there yet, right? Like, they have great ideas. If they can, they're like Tesla, like I say a lot, but like they're like Tesla in 2011, 2012. They had great ideas, good product. How are you going to scale it into a business? And Tesla's done a very good job at it. Virgin Galactic, we have to see if they can do that. And so when I saw Virgin Galactic go to like 35, 40, 45, 50, 62, I was like, this is ridiculous. Like, I wouldn't be touching this right now. However, I might start a position in a, SPCE, maybe Monday, or I might actually start selling some puts on Virgin Galactic. I wish I would have sold some puts on Friday, which is today, but, earlier at the bottom. So this way I could have, at least solidified a position at 24 bucks, which I should have done. If you guys don't understand what selling puts is, I can make another video, and I have done it before, but in this case, it was offering very, very attractive premiums of almost 10% for holding it for a single week. But we'll talk about that in a different video. But what I want to go over is the main story of Chamath Palihapitiya. So Virgin Galactic drops 10% after Chamath Palihapitiya, who is the chairman of Virgin Galactic, the face of Virgin Galactic as well, with Sir Richard Branson. He dropped $213 million in his personal stake within Virgin Galactic, which is, it's pretty huge, right? It's not only is it a very big position, but he is somebody who's been on the forefront of, pushing the mission of Virgin Galactic with Sir Richard Branson. He has been somebody who goes on to CNBC plenty of times talking about it. He's really just like the face, right? He's not the CEO, but still, it's like if Ron Barron, if you guys understand who Ron Barron, if Ron Barron, or, I think Ron Barron did sell some of his Tesla recently, not all of it, but that's equivalent to like if Ron Barron or Cathie Wood and ARK sold their entire position in Tesla. So Chamath Palihapitiya, the Virgin Mobile Galactic chairman, who took the company public through a SPAC deal, SPAC is just special acquisition deal, in 2019, sold his remaining personal stake this week. So I think his company, Social Capital, still owns a pretty huge amount of Virgin Galactic. I think this is just Chamath's personal, like his personal shares himself. The sale was worth $213 million at the average selling price. Palihapitiya now owns about 15.8 million shares indirectly, yes, exactly, through Social Capital Holdings, which is basically his hedge fund. The SPAC that Palihapitiya formed with fellow investor Ian Osborne. So shares of Virgin Galactic dropped 10% on Friday, trading to close around $27.29, which you can see earlier it actually hit lows at 24 bucks. I wish I was going heavy there. The company stock is down more than 25% this week alone, and has lost more than half of its value since hitting all-time highs, $62.80. The shares remain positive since it began 2021, up about 15% year to date. The stock's year to date gains reached about 165% when it hit its all-time highs. Palihapitiya still indirectly owns 15.8 million shares through Social Capital, the special purpose acquisition of the company formed from Ian Osborne, the other investor. We talked about that earlier. Palihapitiya, in a statement to CNBC, said that he plans to redirect the sale of his shares into a large investment I am making towards fighting climate change. The details of the investment will be made public within the next few months, and I remain as dedicated as ever to Virgin Galactic's team, missions, and prospects, Patia said in the statement. So, it's not like he's selling it because he thinks it's going to zero. He's selling it because he still just wants to use the money elsewhere. So, but still, people still get shaken out and still, really, really worried about that. Patia in December sold 3.8 million shares of his stake in Virgin Galactic. At that time, Patia said, he sold the shares to help manage my liquidity as I fund several projects in 2021. His latest sales comes a week after Virgin Galactic revealed further delays to its spacecraft testing program, saying it now does not expect commercial flights to begin until early 2022. Overall, Chamath selling his personal stake, it's not that big of a deal. I mean, if you're an investor, it's not the best thing that you want to see, but overall, not that big of a deal. Now, the question overall, which probably a lot of people are asking, should you be, aka will I be, buying Virgin Galactic here? Probably not. So I think Virgin Galactic is attractively priced at sub $20. Now, what I will probably be doing is selling puts on Virgin Galactic. Now, for those of you who do not know what selling puts is, go on YouTube, type Peter DiCarlo selling puts. This entire video about it. But essentially, in brief, the way that it works is that buying a put means that you want the stock to go down. If you're selling a put, you want the opposite. You think the stock's going to go up. Now, what happens is when you sell a put, you pick a strike. So in this case, I'd pick like a $22 strike. If the stock closes above your strike price by the date that you pick, you keep the premium. That's it. So let's look at SPCE. Let's look at March 12th, which is next week. And let's look at a $22 put. As long as SPCE closes above $22 by next Friday, I'll make $35. That's not bad for $2,700 worth of capital. Not bad at all. Now, what's the worst case scenario? Worst case scenario is the stock closes below $22, which means the stock would have to die another 20% next week. I don't think that's going to happen. But if it closes below $22, the worst thing that happens, I buy 100 shares of SPCE at $22. So selling puts is a very powerful tool, especially on a company like this where implied volatility is through the roof, premiums are extra high, which means you make more money and you kind of set the price that you want to buy in at. Selling puts is kind of like setting a limit price, but you get paid while you're holding that limit price. So overall, that's what I'm probably going to do. I'd be looking to purchase this right around $20 in that range. But I do think it could definitely bounce here and slowly move its way back up. Overall, guys, thank you for all the support. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. If you want to be a part of my private academy, get access to all my trades live as soon as I take them. Trade with me every single morning for the first hour of market open. I live stream with my team every single day. Get access to our 60-hour course library built to take an absolute beginner all the way up to my skill sets and my skill level of trading full-time for the past 7 years, and join our private Discord with over 500 members. Guys and girls, it's like the 5th video I made today because my second channel, but thank you for all the support. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.